I'm gonna use 3 or 2 bouillons. You can buy them anywhere in the market, in supermarkets. There's different flavors. There's Spanish ones, and those to me are the most flavorful ones. They look like this, and you can use 1 or 2 in here, or 3, whatever you like. It's a little salty, so it depends on how much you want to put in there and how much salt you can take in. But you crumble it up and you put it in there like that, okay? So it's 1, and then I think I'm going to put in 2 in this one, okay? So 2 should be good enough, alright? Just crumble it up and put it in here like that. And it's really, really nice. It adds that little extra flavor to it, okay? And you stir it up. They have bouillons that are beef and that are chicken. And if you were doing a beef soup, you might want to use the beef bouillon. But we're doing chicken, so it's chicken.